Let's install EstVis on Windows. On EstVis.com, open the download menu and choose Desktop Server. The download starts in the background, and our step-by-step guide opens in a new tab. Once it finishes, run the installer. If Windows Defender flags an unknown app, click More Info, then Run anyway. The desktop server setup opens. Follow it through with Next, Install, and Finish. A setup wizard helps with the basics. Skip it if you like or click Next. Step 1. Estimating integration. Turn on the services you use. Then add your credentials and set your estimate files folder. Step 2 has 2 switches for supplement and customer notifications. The last step links to your company settings. Now the desktop server asks you to sign in. Use the server-only login from your second welcome email. Step 2. Never your user account. Desktop server keeps your shop's data on site. Workflow and the EstVis mobile app connect right to it. Reopen the wizard whenever you need it. Or open advanced configuration to fine-tune integrations, connections, and more. Now for workflow, back on EstVis.com, open Download again and choose Workflow. Download it, run the installer, and clear the same Defender prompt if it appears. Step through setup once more and Workflow opens. Sign in with your manager credentials from your first welcome email, Step 1, and optionally check Remember Me. And Workflow is ready to go. Full guide at help.estvis.com.